everybody, today I'm going to be showing off some of my 3D printed things. As you can tell, this is my first real life, not cartoon made video, so I hope you like it. First, I have this jumbo pig. This is the biggest thing I've ever made with my printer. It's really big, and yeah, it's pretty big. Next, kind of just got this big bag of stuff. You know, I'm just gonna, yeah, just like that. That's perfect. Okay. Right here we have a frog. I have another one of those frogs. Giant monkey, about the same size as the pig. So that's cool, I guess. Dragon, one of my favorites. This little shark. It's like floppy. So that's cool again. Oh! Kind of windy out. This guy kind of stands out because he's like bright red. This is a mini version of the monkey. I also have a mini version of the pig right here. So I guess that's interesting. Squirrel. I hate squirrels. I don't really know why I print this, but another frog. A fox. Actually gave these out at my birthday party. Not creepy. A dragon. I had another one of these dragon. Oh, the pot is stuck on the dragon's tail. Just gonna. There we go. I had another one of these dragons, but kind of dropped it and its head just like came off. So, yep. Okay. Anyways, this ugly rabbit here. Pretty much another ugly rabbit. Airplane. Yeah. This other shark. And a gnome. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope that isn't broken. Hey Mom, I got you a pretty flower. Oh my God! Looks like the moon landing was successful, boys. Wait, what's that? Burn the witch! 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 Dun 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 dun. No, what? Wait. What? I don't know. Any more cracks than it already had? Oh wait, I think I. Oh gosh. Hey, oh. There we go. Yeah, I don't think it's cracked. Dang, I'm a dangerous person. And now I present to you Growing Fast. Hello, darling. Hello, Mama. I'm going to get you some milk and then I'll be right back. Ooh, a frog. Gobble, gobble. Meow. Okay, sweetie, I'm back. Holy, how'd you get that big? Alright, guys, hope you liked this video. So, yeah. Yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.